Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see the vegetarian version of the very famous Arabian dish Sfiha. First let us prepare the dough. For the dough take 1.5 teaspoons of active dry yeast. To this add 1 teaspoon of sugar and half a cup of warm water. This has to get activated, so we are going to leave this for another 10 minutes. Take 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. We are going to sieve this once. To this add the required amount of salt. This is our yeast now. It is after 10 minutes. This got activated. Now add 2 teaspoons of curd or yogurt into the flour and then add the yeast mixture. Add the yeast mixture little by little and knead this into a nice soft dough. Now the dough has become soft. To this I am going to add a little olive oil. If you apply olive oil, the dough won't dry on the surface. Let us add a little amount of olive oil into the bowl and then place the dough. Now cover it tightly with a cling or close it with a plate. We are going to leave this for another 2 hours. By the time, let us prepare the stuffing. For the stuffing, we are going to use soya chunks, so we have to make it soft. Take enough water, add some salt, bring it to a boil and add half cup of soya chunks. Now we are going to cook this until the soya chunks become soft. This is ready. Let us drain the water and set this aside. For the gravy, add some oil in a pan. I am going to use coconut oil here. To this add half a cup of chopped onions and you have to saute this until the onions becomes translucent. Once the onions are done, add half a cup of chopped tomatoes. Now cook the tomatoes well, saute this for another 2 or 3 minutes. Let us add the masalas now. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala and the required amount of salt. Saute everything well until the raw smell of the masalas goes off. Once this is done, you can add the soya chunks. Let us add a little water, around a quarter cup. Now cook this until it turns into a gravy. You have to cook this in medium flame. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves and give everything a nice mix. So here our soya chunks gravy is ready. Now let us move on to the prepared dough. This is ready. This has raised. We can take it out now. Dust some flour on the surface. Place the dough and start kneading this. Knead this for another 2 or 3 minutes, that is fine. Cut this into 4 pieces. Let us use one now and the rest of the dough you have to keep it in a closed bowl. This way you can avoid the dough from drying. Now start rolling this. You have to roll this thin. Place the stuffing in the center. Now apply water on all the 4 sides. You have to close it like this. We are going to repeat this on all the 4 sides. So here the stuffed doughs are ready. Spread some black sesame seeds over them. Cover this properly and we are going to leave this for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we are going to give a milk wash. We are going to bake this with and without oven. So this is without oven. We are going to use a pressure cooker. Add some salt in a pressure cooker and place a stand. Keep this on the stove. Let this get heated a little bit. By the time, take a plate, place a butter paper on it and apply oil. Place our stuffed dough. Now place this inside the pressure cooker and close the lid without whistle and gasket. Cook this in low flame for about 20 to 25 minutes. So this is ready now, we can take it out. Next, let us see how to bake this in oven. For this, take an oven proof tray, place a butter paper and apply some oil. And here comes our stuffed doughs. Let us give a milk wash again. This will enhance the color of the dish. If you want, you can add more sesame seeds. This is a preheated oven. You have to preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake this for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So here the sviha is ready, we can take it out now. This will taste so good, do give a try. Hope you like the recipe, we'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.